Coach Lou here, and on today's presentation we're going to talk about how to read nutrition facts labels. I'm going to share very important information with you that is going to tell you exactly what to look out for, what to be aware of, so that you actually know what you're putting in your body. So where to start? You're going to start with the calories. It's going to be the biggest highlighted number on the nutrition facts labels, which is the one on the left. Okay, it's highlighted right there, but you need to be aware of that this is just the number for the serving size, which is the next point that you need to look out for on the right. The serving size is only the number that's dictating that amount of calories. So for example, on the left is 8 servings per container. So that means you multiply the 230 times the 8. Now on the nutrition facts on the right, you need to multiply the 280 times the 4. So this is what it looks like. 230 for the one on the left times 8 is 1,840 calories for the entire thing. And on the one on the right, the 280 times 4 is 1,120 total calories for the entire thing. So the amount of calories that is shown on the label is only for the serving size. So those are the two main things that you need to look out for to know exactly what you're putting in your body. Next, we need to check the macros. Okay, macros is going to be protein, carbs, and fats. Protein and carbs both have 4 calories per gram, while fats have 9 calories per gram. So if we divide that, we see that protein on this nutrition facts label is 5 grams. So the 5 times the 4 is 20 calories from the protein alone. All right, the carbs, 31 times 4 is 124 calories for the carbs alone. And that's the calories per serving. Now the fats, 12 times 9, because the 12 grams that are right there, times the 9 calories per gram is 108 calories. So for the total, you get 252 calories, which is shown right there to 250. So food companies are actually allowed to round up or down to the nearest decimal as they please. Okay, there's no specific rule for them. And I'm actually going to share with you right now one of the tricks that they use to lie on their labels. So, indeed, watch out because labels lie. Okay, as you may see right here on this picture, the nutrition facts is showing that there's only 50 calories per serving, per one tortilla. Alright, but if you actually put the numbers on paper, there's 5 grams of protein times 4, that's 20 calories. Carbs, there's 15 times 4, that's 60 calories. Fats, 1.5 times 9, that's 13.5 calories, which actually adds up to 94 calories, not 50. Okay, but the reason why they can do this and they can get away with it is because they're subtracting the dietary fiber from the carbs. Right, there's 11 grams of dietary fiber, and fiber is undigestible, so it just passes through your body. That's why they're detecting or they're registering it as non-calories, which in fact they're still sitting in your body temporarily. So that's why I don't use dietary fiber as a negative amount to subtract from the carbs. So theoretically, the protein's 5 times 4, 20, and then the 15 minus the 11 grams of dietary fiber is 4, so which only gives you 16 calories, which actually amounts to 50 calories if you add up everything together. Now, another thing to watch out for is 0-calorie dressings or 0-calorie foods, all right? As you may see on this label, there's absolutely nothing, no protein, no carbs, no fats, but the serving size is only 5 grams. So this is the trick. There can be 5 calories within those 5 grams, but they actually rounded it down to 0. All right, so one serving is 5 grams. So this is what 8 grams look like. Okay, that's just 3 grams over, but that's the amount of mustard that you would have to use to consider it no calories. But then again, think about how much you're actually using. So watch out for those things. So the key points to remember is that protein and carbs both have 4 calories per gram. Okay, there are a lot of things that food companies can do, like subtract the dietary fiber from the carbohydrates, but if you know this, you can actually do the math outside of the label and know exactly how many calories there are in the foods that you're eating. Fats have 9 calories per gram. Also, don't forget that labels lie. Okay, no foods are 0 calorie. Every type of food has some sort of calories, but they just find ways, they find loopholes to actually register as 0 calorie or round down or round up or things like that. So be well aware that food companies lie, and you need to be well aware of what you're actually putting in your body. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And as always, Watch, learn, and